Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. A for apple.
A for alligator. Alligator.
B for banana.
B for bear. Bear.
C for cherry.
C for cat. Meow.
D for dragon fruit.
D for dog. Oof, oof.
E for elderberry.
E for elephant. Trumpet, trumpet.
F for fig.
F for frog. Cuckoo.
G for guava.
G for goat. Meh.
H for honeydew.
H for hippo. Big hippo.
I for icicle.
I for impala. Impala.
J for jamun.
J for jaguar. Jaguar.
K for kiwi.
K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo.
L for lychee.
L for lion. जंगल का शेर.
M for mango.
M for macaw. Colorful macaw.
N for nectarine.
N for nightingale. Nightingale singing song.
O for orange.
O for ox. Big ox. P for pear.
P for peacock.
Our national bird.
Q for queens.
Q for quail. Quail.
R for rambutan.
R for rat. Rat.
S for star fruit.
S for sheep. Sheep.
T for tomato.
T for tiger. Our national animal tiger.
U for ugly fruit.
U for unicorn. Unicorn.
V for velvet apple.
V for vicuna.
W for watermelon.
W for wolf. Wolf say ow.
X for zigua.
X for xeras. Xeras.
Y for yam.
Y for yak. Yak.
Z for zucchini.
Z for zebra. Black and white striped zebra.